Hello everyone, this is Sumita Gupta, Assistant Professor, KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research, Thane. Today we will learn the concept of Java loops and we'll see the program of Java for printing a table. So let's start now. These are the loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop. First, we will see the syntax and meaning of these loops. Then we will do the example with the Eclipse. For loop. You know what is loop? Looping is used to iterate something. If you want to iterate something several times, then loop concept is there. So looping is used to iterate part of program several times. Okay. But if number of iteration fixed means we want this iteration for 10 times. We want this iteration for 5 times. Iteration number is fixed, then definitely we use the for. Okay. When the number of iteration is fixed, like suppose from I equals to 1 to I equals to 5, then we'll apply for. So if number of iterations fixed, then we use for. Syntax for initialization, condition, increment, decrement, then they are code. Like I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus this. Okay. So this is a syntax for loop. While loop is the logic is same, just like for loop, but in for loop, the condition is known, iteration is fixed. Means you know how many iteration is there. But if we don't know how many iterations will be there, we know only condition. That up to that condition, we have to follow the loop. Then we apply the while. Okay. So while condition put to be accepted. Do while loop means if condition is not true, else, then also you want at least there should be one iteration. If number of iterations are not fixed, and we want to execute code at least once. Okay. So what will happen first? Do, then while. So suppose condition is not true, then also do loop will be executed. After that, it will not work. So if you want at least our loop work at least once, we want at least our loop execute for one time. Then we use the while loop. So let's start in Eclipse. So I'm starting my Eclipse. Start Eclipse, then launch it. Take some seconds. So start. So previously we have done this. I have created this project. Otherwise, go and file new and Java project. But I have created this project. This when you expand the project, there will be two things. There is system library SRC. Okay, right click on SRC, click on new, and click on package. Then give your project name. So I have created the package simple in the previous lecture itself. Then in package, I have created this classes. Okay. So I'm right click on this package, new, and after this in class. So you understood the hierarchy? First is project, then package, and then class. So I'm giving the class name is loops. Okay. Include the main method, finish it. Okay. See, this is package name is simple. So here it's simple, and the class name is loops. Okay. For example. Okay. So for loop is just like for if initial value is known, I less than suppose 5, I plus plus. Suppose I'm just printing I only. So for printing command, system.out.println, short form is caesar control space. So itself automatically video. So not a mistake. I just want to print I. Okay. Just run it. See, we'll start from 0. Okay, 0. And ending value we want less than 5 is when this will be 5, it will start. So from I0, I1, I2, I3, I4. Simple formula. Okay. Now, I'm commenting it. Okay. Now, for while loop. If same thing I have to write with while loop. So how to write with while loop? So first I have to initialize this variable end. So int I equals to 0. Initialization while condition I less than 5. Okay. Then again system command I. Then I plus plus. If I run this, same output I'll get here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but this is with while. Got it? Now again I'm commenting it. Now next is do while loop. Okay, we want for at least once. Okay, so int I equals to 0. And first I'll print I, then I plus plus. When it will run, then we'll check while I less than 5. Happen. Okay, not resolved the variable is sorry. With respect to 0. Okay, now run this. Oh, one extra curly braces there. That's why it's showing the error. Run it again. See, same output but with 3 logic. For loop, we will do while loop, then we'll do while. Okay. Now we will do the program of table. Okay. So I'm creating a new class with name table, including main method. Okay. Now table means name and taking up the time. Okay, suppose I'm writing the table of 5. What will 5 into 10 and 10? Yes. I'm not able to write further. Yes. Suppose I'm writing a table of 5. So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 5. 10. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 4 is 20. Like this, we have to show at the output. So first what we want to this number for which I want to print the table. Got it? For which I want to print the table. So I've already explained you. First, I want the CISO command for this table. So enter the number for which you want to print the table. Right? So now one and so control space. Okay. Enter the number. Enter the number for which you want to print a table. Okay. For which you want to print the table. Okay. And now that number is not fixed. That number you want to enter from the keyboard. So for that you have to use the scanner class. So syntax is scanner. Variable I'm taking SC, you can take anything. Just to new scanner and bracket system dot in. So whenever we write this comment, syntax means, see the red line is there. You can just see the suggestion, multiple markers, but here import scanners means you have to import the scanner class. Okay, just click it. Scanner class will be automatically added. Scanner class is used to means if I am a compiler, so with this scanner and SC, I'll understand that now you want the input from the input. Okay, so whenever I want to use a scanner, I just use this variable SC. I'll give the reference of this. So I'm taking variable, suppose with name A, and A is an integer. Int A equals to scanner class, I'll represent by SC dot. Now my input type is input. So I'll take next. Click on this. Okay, so the input is A and it is taken from SC means scanner class. That means you now going to give input from the queue. Okay. Now I want to print the statement like table of we are going to define the table of this number. And the number is 8. So reference is taken by plus sign. Plus 8. Okay, that will be the display number. Okay, now we'll apply the do from 1 to 10 because table is we're going to print from 1 to 10. I plus 1, I less than equals to 10 because table is from 1 to 10. I plus plus then. What will the I equals to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Yes, I is not defined, so I have to type here int. That's why showing the red line. Int now. Multiplication is how to write. And we want display the each value. So if you remember this, if you want to write the number table, A table. So A into 1, A into 2, A into 3. So I'll write A into I. Okay. Because A is fixed. Suppose A is 2. So 2 table 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So this A is fixed because that's a number for which you want to print the table. But 1, 2, 3 is I. So first is A and second thing is I. So table will be like while typing here. First word is A that is fixed. The reference of A is from A. Then multiply sign will be first will be reference of A. Then we want to show the multiply sign. Okay. A into then next value is I. So I reference is from I. And that I will be changed every time. Okay. I then we want equal to sign. Equals. Okay. First reference we want A into I equals to. Then after this will be plus A into I. Okay. Then when we will run this, Enter the number for which you want to print the table. Suppose I want to print a table of 5. See. So what will happen when you will run this? Suppose I am a compiler. Okay. So I jump to main function and I'll show this console command, display command, enter the number for you want to print the table. The next is scanner class. So I'll understand this is a scanner class. Then int a equals to sc. Sc is a variable for scanner. So I'll understand that you are going to give input from the keyboard. So you have entered 5. So I'll take a as a 5. Now I equals to 1. A is 5. Then multiply. I is 1. Then equals to sign. Then a into I is 5 into 1. Then I equals to 2. This a is fixed 5 into sign. Then now I is 2. So 5 into 2. A into I 5 into 2. The next 5 into 3. When this will be 10. So a is 5 into I is 10. Then plus a into I 5 into 10 is 5. So this will calculate the value. And this is a is the same. I is changing from y to 1 to 10. Here I is changing 1 to 10. So in this way, we have printed a table of 5. Run this. Again, you can check. Enter the number for you want print the table. Suppose number is 4. So 4 to 1, 4, 2. In this way, we have printed the table of number using for. I hope you have understood it. So keep learning, keep sharing. God bless.